Here are the two schools for tonight's show. St. Mary High from St. Mary up against Hampton School from St. Elizabeth. This is the 56th season of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. St. Mary High is represented by Tisha Fagan, Siobhan Eve Harris, Ricardo Ray Douglas, and Ryan Ewan. Hampton School is represented by Chloe Powell, Ronise McNelly, Rushane Simmons, and Anna Ruth Parchment. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and St. Mary High won. They decided to send Hampton School first. And so we begin with Hampton School. The section lasts for 4 minutes. So let's get that time on the clock. Hampton, we begin with Bible knowledge. In the parable of the lost sheep, how many sheep did the shepherd leave to find the lost one?
99. 99!
Correct. St. Mary High, Bible knowledge. For how many days and nights did Jesus fast in the wilderness before he was tempted by the devil?
40 days and 40 nights.
40 days and 40 nights.
Correct. Local affairs. Look at the monitor, identify this person. This is Hampton.
Brian Sykes.
Brian Sykes.
Correct.
Good.
Local affairs for St. Mary High. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Omar Sweeney.
Omar Sweeney.
Incorrect. Professor Stephen Bassiani. Biology, Hampton. What is a single-celled organism without a nucleus or other membrane-bound organelles called?
Prokaryote.
Prokaryote.
Correct. Biology for St. Mary High. What is the collective name for cells that have a membrane-bound nucleus?
Eukaryotes.
Eukaryotes.
Correct. English language for Hampton. Which 11-letter noun, starting with P, means a strong feeling that something unpleasant is about to happen?
Pugnacious. Pugnacious.
Incorrect. Premonition. English language for St. Mary, which 8-letter adjective starting with E, means expressing overwhelming happiness or joyful excitement?
Elated.
Elated.
Incorrect. Ecstatic. Music for Hampton. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Read my mind, you make me feel just fine when I think my peace of mind.
Diana Ross. Diana Ross.
Incorrect. Anita Baker. Music for St. Mary High. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
A sugar and spice. I feel nice.
Pharrell Williams.
Incorrect. James Brown. General knowledge for Hampton. What is the official currency of Malta?
Malta is Malta. European Euro.
European Euro.
Yes. General knowledge for St. Mary High. What is the official currency of Serbia?
Euro.
Incorrect. The Serbian dinar. And Hampton Theatre and Cinema, to look at the monitor at the moment. Identify this actress.
Christine Carey.
Christine Carey.
Incorrect. Barbara Streisand. Theatre and Cinema, St. Mary. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Meryl Streep.
Meryl Streep.
Correct. Geography for Hampton. What is the name for a line of thunderstorms often forming along or ahead of a cold front with high wind and heavy rain?
So, you say thunderstorm. Nimbus. Wait.
Come.
Nimbus stratus.
Nimbus stratus.
Incorrect. A squall line. Geography for St. Mary High. What is the name for a long-lived and highly organized storm feeding off a rising current of air that is tilted and rotating?
Hurricane.
Hurricane.
Incorrect. Supercell. Sports for Hampton. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Joe Fraser. Joe Fraser.
Incorrect. Sir Garfield Sobers. And sports for St. Mary High. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
What do you have?
All right, Brian Lara.
Brian Lara.
Incorrect. Sir Curtly Ambrose. And that's it. That's the end of the opening challenge. The score is St. Mary High on 3, Hampton School on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.